Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding faith. You must realize that fear is not real. It is a product of thoughts you create. Do not misunderstand me. Danger is very real, but fear is a choice. So I don't need to tell God how big my problem is. I need to show my problem how big my God is. Choosing faith over fear. If we are going to live by faith, then we must guard our thoughts from fear. Faith isn't about asking God to stop the storms in life. Faith is about trusting God to help us through the storm. At times, in the face of real danger, help God help you by getting out of harm's way. Remember, faith is not about everything always turning out okay. Faith is about being okay no matter how things turn out. Keep the faith. Enjoy the day.